Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm running an experiment for you and with you. I'm going to open maybe 20 trades using the AI trading button on Pocket Option. Just one button. Let's see if artificial intelligence can actually replace a human trader. I'm ready to spend my own money. Let's check the results and find out if this is a real way to make money or not. Let's get started. Alright, let's get started, friends. Today I want to do a simple experiment. I'll just press one button, AI trading, and see what happens. I'll select some currency pairs with high payouts. This isn't about strategy, I'm just here to watch how the AI thinks. Also, that's why I will add some indicators like moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and no, I will just use two moving averages and the RSI, but it's just for me. I will spend about 800 today. Okay, let's open the first trade. Again, I'm only pressing the AI button, nothing else. Okay, not bad. We will count all the results together, but first to the win. Please AI, give me some money. First trade in profit. Second one, we're going again, and it's a lose. Okay, now I open it as sell. Honestly, I would be gonna for a buy here, and it's a loss. Anyway, let's keep going. Nice, that's one closest in profit. Let's opening one more. And this area seems risky, but yeah. And there it is. Another loss. You see, sometimes it goes against the trend, like right here. I open it a buy, but the trend is clearly going down. Okay, we go to another trade. Same story. Even though it's oversold on the RSI, it keeps going against the trend. That's one work it out, but barely. Okay, it was close, but at least the trade in profit. Okay, now here trend is down, and finally the AI follow it. Oh yeah, sometimes AI follow the trend. Wow, that's good, it makes sense. Let's try one more on the same pair, but we are close to oversold zone, as you can see on the RSI. Honestly, I'd wait here if it were me. Yeah, if it's me, I will skip it. Another loss. Glad I'm not using large amounts right now, like I'm usually used. Oof. Another loss. Next one. Again, AI chooses 30 seconds. Market is super volatile. Not perfect decision for me. Let's wait. Another loss. Okay. This is turning into a losing streak. Still, that's the point we're testing AI not interfering. The price bounced back in the last moment. Okay, even in human trading it also happens. Let's calm down. I'll go in for a buy here, not sell. Maybe I saw an overbought level or something. Interesting. Wow, interesting. In the last moment, let's press the button again. AI trading. It's buy for 10 seconds. Wow. Profitable one. But trend is down, I don't know, like it's not smart to trade against it. Let's wait. The AI opened buy, but against the trend, for me it looks like not really good idea. Yeah, another loss. It's even a bit boring to trade with this. I always want to open my own trades, but okay. Wow, big red candle. Looks like it's total failure here. Let's wait. And another loss. This really is a black streak. Okay, very tempering. Oh. I'm holding back. This is the challenge for you guys. Also for me, another trade. Another loss. Oh my god. Another one, just AI. Another loss. Wow. If it's me, I will trade totally different ways. But let's try. And another loss. What the heck? Let's try again. Ooh, finally, a plus, and let's try again. And then another minus. The stats aren't looking great today at all. So here's the final outcome. 7 trades closed in profit, but 13 trades ended in a loss. Now, if I had used it a regular trade size, like from 1,000 to 3,000 per trade, wow, I would be been very disappointed. But losing a small amount to prove that a human trader with his own strategy still looking good next to AI, that's totally worth it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you will trade smart. In my next videos, I'll show you how I will trade and earn money back. By the way, every day I show on my Telegram channel how I trade, my strategies, secret tips, cheat codes, and much more. So join my Telegram channel, put the like to this video if you really like. If you're not, just leave the comments, and yeah, subscribe, and let's stay in touch. I will show you much more profitable strategy than this one. Peace.